Inside Jeff Bezos' $165 million mansion. The founder of Amazon.com purchased this massive $165 million mansion last year. Located in the Beverly Hills in Los Angeles, it features a French-inspired garden, 6 bedrooms and 13 bathrooms. It has a beautiful hallway which features antique paintings, marble staircases, different types of chandeliers.
The mansion has $80,000 worth screens to chill. The doorway features a 300-pound chandelier worth $100,000. The mansion has a library and even different dining rooms. The mansion was previously owned by David Geffen, which had a lounge area and a small theater. The mansion also features outdoor dining areas for guests. Bezos reportedly sold $10 billion worth Amazon stock to buy this mansion. The mansion also has Napoleon flooring dating back to 100 years. Bezos has his skilled team of gardeners who keep the gardens tidy. The mansion has beautiful small bridges over streams of water. Bezos also has 3 greenhouses which have most of expensive plants in the world. The mansion has 3 pools to chill during summers. Hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.